Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do a 10th class English grammar set. That is set number 8. We have already discussed 7 sets in our previous classes. So, the set begins like this. Rewrite the following sentences as for the directions given in brackets. बंधनी मानक मध्य दि जाइथिबा निर्देश अनुसार वाक्यटा को पुणी थे लेख. The first one is probably both way संभवतः they Bill are going to leave this place soon. Complete the sentence choosing the correct alternative given in bracket and the right answer is what? Bill. Right? Next one is he is a very stupid boy. Turn into an exclamatory sentence. तुमको कही exclamatory sentence करिया को माने कौन करिया verb पर we will divide the sentence into two parts. Right? So mark the verb in this sentence. Is the verb. Is होची verb टा. We will divide the sentence into two parts here. So that is is. Now it is divided by divided. The first part is he is and the second part is a very stupid boy. I have told you that if there is very, we will use how. If there is a very, we will use what. As here a very is used, we shall write what a. Instead of very, we will write what a. What a. Then a. Could you understand? Ah, yes. तापरे कौन कहे and कौन what I did it tell you. We will take the second part to the first position and bring the first part to the second position. Right? So what? Yeah, right. What double will become a capital letter. What
Is
a stupid means boka. Stupid murkha. Stupid. What is stupid boy? Yes. He is. He H will become small letter. He is. Then which mark? Exclamation mark. Right? Could you understand? Which mark? Exclamation mark. Next, he said, complete the sentence using a noun clause. So, he said that, he was going to, school. He said that he was going to school. Right. Next one is he is honest, he is poor. Join the sentence using although. You know, though, although, if these are the adverbs. आमे एडवर्ब लिस्ट देखीचे जानीचे एवं ब्लैक बोर्ड एवं बर्तमान दिखाई एडवर्ब लिस्ट टे देखीदियो तो जॉइन करिया आल्दो मीन्स जदियो ही इज पुअर ही इज ऑनेस्ट जदियो से गरीब से सचोट तो कोड द्वितीय वाक्य आगे लगाई एक्चुअली it should be used in front of the second sentence. So it is like this. Although THOUGH, although small letter, he H will become small letter. Although he is poor, then comma, he is honest. He is honest. Honest. Right? Let's delete it. Next one. I learned swimming to swim when I was 8 years old. Choose the correct alternative given in bracket. General, so swimming is the correct. Specific means যদি specific ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ତ would have selected to swim, but the right answer here is swimming. Next one is rewrite the following sentences as per the directions given in brackets. द्वंद्वनि ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶ ଅନୁସାରେ ବାକ୍ୟ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଲେଖ. So we elected him monitor. Change into passive voice. Passive voice. The rule says we subject will go to object place with by, and object will come to subject place. Main verb will become en form, third form, and we will use one of the be forms. You know be forms is, were, was, were. So first mark the verb. Elected is the verb and it is simple past, right? Simple past, right? This is a verb, subject is we, and object is him. He. Object. So, first we will take the object to the subject place. So, him will become he. Right? One of the be form, this is simple past, did is there, we will add did with be plus did is was or were. So he पाखे was, he was elected, he was elected monitor by agent by as it is not necessary, just you write he was elected monitor. He was elected a monitor, right? That is, he was elected
Monitor.
Okay. Change it. Next one is, are you pleased? Does your new house pleased with the right preposition? Fill in the blank with an appropriate preposition, and the appropriate preposition is with. W-I-T-H, with. Okay. Next one is, I could not make up out what he was saying. So make complete the sentence choosing the correct particle given in brackets. So I could not make out well बुझी पारलेनी. This is the make out is the phrasal verb of the word, single word understand. So the right particle is out. Okay, this is this one. Next, he said, are you ready for the examination? Change into indirect speech. Indirect speech you remember कौन करा जो we will remove inverted comma, change pronoun, and also tense. We will use, and instead of inverted comma we will use that if to whether. That to if whether and five. So if the sentence in inverted comma is a statement, we will use that instead of inverted comma. If the sentence in inverted comma is that is an imperative sentence, we will use to instead of inverted comma. If the sentence in inverted comma is an exclamatory sentence, we will use that instead of inverted comma. And if the sentence in inverted comma is a WS question, we will not use anything instead of inverted comma. And if the sentence in inverted comma is a yes no question, we will use if or whether instead of inverted comma. So the mark that in this case, the sentence in inverted comma is a yes no question. So instead of inverted comma, we shall use if. So first let's remove inverted comma, in place write if. Next आम कौन करिए इनवर्स करदेबा सब्जेक्ट ऑफ वर्ब टाको. सो वी विल टेक आर
I.
आफ्टर यू. यस ताऊ नहीं गले इनवर्स करदेले देखिबा. सो ही सेड इफ डेस रेडी फॉर द एग्जाम. इफ ही आस्क्ड मी सेड विल बिकम आस्क्ड. शी आस्क्ड इफ आई you will be
She asked.
he asked if I, right, if R will become was. If I was ready for the examination, let's remove inverted comma and also question mark and put full stop. Next 3/4 of the field is empty. So this is a part of whole. So though looks plural but singular. So this right singular here two verbs are given is and are. You know is singular and are is plural. So the right alternative here is. Could understand? What did I say? Is. Next one is do as a director. Who did this? Change into passive voice. Who did this? This is the verb. You know did is the verb. And who is the subject. And this is the subject. This is object. So
Verb.
भी this is the verb. Did अच्छी. Do did done. Right. So did past tense अच्छी. You know I have once I told you did minus did is equal to do. You know did रे बाहर बोले आउट डू हम तो डू did डन हम से कौन हम ना बाई एजेंट लगे डब्ल्यूएच रे तो बाई होम. एटा क्वेश्चन पैटर्न आम प्रथम डब्ल्यूएच वार्डटा रखा पड़ो. राइट बाई होम और आम एमती भी कर छाड़ आम से नहीं पार दिसटा को आगे धर पड़े आस हो दिस है तापर कौन हम वाज डन बाई होम कौन गले दिसटा आगे ऑब्जेक्ट आगू नहीं गले बी वर्ब लगेले डू टाको पास्ट पार्टिसिपल कले तापर आम सजई देबा कहीं आमर क्वेश्चन पैटर्न अच्छी ताको आम क्वेश्चन पैटर्न आने प्रथम डब्ल्यूएच वार्ड कौन करिया डब्ल्यूएच वार्डटा बाई होम सब्जेक्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब वाज ऑब्जेक्ट दिस डन DONE done then a question mark. This is the right answer. Okay, this is the right answer. Next, as the dog returns to its vomit, so as full returns to its folly. Identify the adverb clause in the sentence and mention what kind of adverb clause it is. Adverbs आम जानी लिस्ट से लिस्ट देखीदेव जेहेतु एज लगी. सो दिस इज दि एडवर्ब क्लास एज दि डॉग दिस इज दि एडवर्ब क्लास तो इन दि सेंटेंस दि रेस्ट इज मेन क्लास. नेक्स्ट द टीचर सेड भुवनेश्वर इज दि सिटी ऑफ टेम्पल्स. सो मार्क दि sentence in inverted comma. That is statement. In case of statement we generally use that. So instead of what inverted comma we shall use that. Okay, Bhubaneswar is this is the general truth, so we will not change anything and the sentence is like this. Let's remove what inverted comma. So the teacher said that Bhubaneswar is the city of temples. Next, if you drive carefully, you would not have had the accident. तो आम कही if class रे 0 0 0 shall will and would A head noun main class रे व्यवहार हब would जदि head verb अछि then we will use would have तो देखो main class रे would have अछि mark that there is use of would have in main class so its partner is head so if you had means here we will use head काहे कि would have रे partner टा head and drive will become driven yes drove driven if you had driven 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 carefully যত্ନରେ you would not have had the accident ହେଇନଥାନ୍ତା the sky got dark mention the complement in the sentence the sky got verb is got right I is the got the dark is the adjective dark so the adjective just after verb is complement again the nouns that comes the nouns that come after be verb or become are generally complements so here complement dark is the complement what did I say dark is the complement okay what did I say dark is the complement with this that is the end of today's English grammar set questions we shall discuss the other questions in our next class till then bye thank you
Issue.